Hello, welcome to Avant entrance exam. We have x squared minus y squared equals 65. What are the possible values of x? To obtain the possible values of x, you note that x squared minus y squared is a difference of two squares. So we are going to use the identity of the difference of two squares, which is given by a squared minus b squared equals in bracket a minus b multiplied by bracket a plus b. In our case, x is equal to a and b is equal. So expressing the left hand side of x squared minus y squared in form of a and b, we have bracket x minus y bracket x plus y being equal to 65. The next step is to find the prime factors of 65, which are 1 multiplied by 65, 65 multiplied by 1, 5 multiplied by 13, and 13 multiplied by 5. In this case, we consider the case where the first number is greater than the second number. So x should be greater than y. In our case, we have two possibilities: 65 multiplied by 1 and 13 multiplied by 5. So you shall have two. So the two cases are bracket x minus y bracket multiplied by x plus y bracket being equal to 65 multiplied by 1, and the case 2 bracket x minus y bracket multiplied by bracket x plus y bracket being equal to 13 multiplied by 5. So in beginning by considering case 1. Case 1 tells us that either x minus y is equal to 65 and x plus y is equal to 1. So you write the two equations and solve them simultaneously. So from case 1, we have two simultaneous equations, and you can clearly see we can solve this simultaneous. Clearly see that you can solve this simultaneous equation by elimination. We can add the two equations so that we eliminate the y. So we shall have x plus x being equal to 2x, and minus y plus y is 65 plus 1 is 66. So 2x plus 0 is equal to 66. 2x plus 0 is 2x being equal to 66. Since we're interested with the value of x, we can divide both sides by 2 so that on the left hand side we will be left with the x, and on the right hand side we will have that 3. So now our value of x is equal to that 3, and from these two equations, x minus y is equal to 65 and x plus y is equal to 1. We can use the equation with x minus y being equal to 66 and substitute the value of x, which is that 3, to obtain the value of y as that 3 minus y is equal to 65. We can take the value of y on the right hand side and 65 on the left hand side. So that 3 minus 65 is the same as negative 32 being equal to y. So when x is equal to 33, the value of y will be equal to negative 32. So we verify and see whether our solution holds. So we verify by substituting the value of x as 33 squared minus negative 32 squared and see what we obtain. 33 squared is 1089. Negative 32 squared will give you positive 1024. Is it equal to 65. If you subtract this, the result will be 65 being equal to 65. So since now the left hand side is equal to right hand side, it follows that the value of x is equal to 3 when the value of y is equal to negative 2 or 2. Because when you square a negative number, it becomes positive. So the value of y can be 2 or negative 2. Let us go to case 2 and see the other possible values of x and y. So in case 2, we end bracket x minus y in bracket multiplied by x plus y in bracket being equal to 13 multiplied by 5. So you have two possibilities. Either x minus y is equal to the first number, which is 13, or x plus y is equal to 5, or a pair of simultaneous equations which can be solved by elimination. We can eliminate y by adding the two. So x plus x is 2x, negative y plus y is 0, and 13 plus 5 is 18. So clearly you can see that 2x plus 0 is 2x being equal to 18. And from here, we can divide by 2 and by 2. So that our value of x becomes 9. Then from x minus y being equal to 13, we can substitute the value of x as 9 minus y being equal to 13. Then we can take 13 to the left and we subtract it and the negative y to the right, and it becomes positive. So 9 minus 13 is negative 4 being equal to y. So which means that when x is equal to 9, the value of y is equal to negative 4. We can verify. We verify by substituting the value of x in x squared minus y squared, and we want to find out whether it will obtain 65. So 9 squared minus bracket negative 4 squared, will it give us 65? 9 squared is 81. Negative 4 squared is positive 16. Will it give us 65? So for those who are new, kindly remember to subscribe to my channel and to click that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever there is a new release. You can also comment and suggest any other possible way of working out this equation, and I will be glad to hear from you. 81 minus 16 is 65 being equal to 65. So the left hand side is equal to right hand side, and from the given equation, x squared minus y squared is equal to 65. We have two possible solutions. Number one, x is equal to 33 when y is equal to 32 or negative 32. Because when you square a negative number, it becomes positive. The other case is x being equal to 9 when y is equal to 4 or negative 4. Negative 4 because negative 4 squared will be 16, and when you square 4, it will also become 16. So those are the two possible solutions for this avant entrance trick. Thanks so much for taking your time to study with me. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.